Init, alikabok, aircon, summer triggers, dry eye fast. Hi, ako po si Doc Karina of Bukod Vision and Smile Rehab. Alam niyo ba na summer is the prime season for dry eyes? Bakit? Kasi sobrang init, sobrang alikabok, at halos 24/7 naka-aircon tayo. Lahat ng yan triggers dry eyes. Minsan hindi mo agad napapansin. Akala mo pagod lang yung mata mo. Pero yun pala, namumula, mahapde, parang may buhangin. At minsan, blurry yung vision. At hindi lang discomfort ang issue dito ha. Kapag napabayaan, pwedeng magkaroon ng eye surface damage or maging prone sa infection. Kaya kung nakakaramdam ka ng onting irritation sa mata, lalo na this summer, listen to your eye. That is your body telling you, help me, I'm drying out. Sa Bukod Vision, meron kaming dry eye assessment na mabilis at comprehensive. We don't just give you drop. We check the root cause. Tears mo ba? Oil gland? Allergies? Or environment? This summer, take time to take care of your eyes. Book your dry eye assessment at Bukod Vision and Smile Rehab para sa matang hindi liwanag lang ang kita, hindi komportableng gumising, magtrabaho, at mag-enjoy sa init ng panahon. Tandaan, hindi dapat tiisin ang iritasyon. Let's keep your vision clear and comfortable. Kahit mainit ang summer, hindi dapat mainit ang mata. See you at the clinic!